Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best camping stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Coleman 2-burner propane stove. Speaking from experience, this Coleman classic 2-burner stove is super portable and easy to use. After sitting in the basement for who knows how long, our old Coleman 2-burner turned on immediately and worked great on our first camping trip of the season. We used this stove on a rainy, windy night without issue and cooked our whole meal in just minutes, using 2 different sized pans at the same time. Due to the 2 independently adjustable burners, you'll have enough cooking power to handle vegetables and meat at the same time, making this stove super convenient, as well as easy to clean. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer. The Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer is a well-constructed camping stove that's as easy to set up as it is to use. With 32-inch detachable adjustable legs, this stove is easy transport and use on uneven ground. It's great for camping as well as at-home use, and a lot of reviewers mention that they love this stove for canning projects. Reviewers also mention its high heat output, and people love the 2 cast iron burners, which make it easy to cook lots of food. Light enough to transport but durable enough to last for years, the Camp Chef model is one of the top stoves on the market for long-term campsites, especially when you need a little bit of height. At number 3, we have the MSR PocketRocket 2 Ultralight Canister Stove. The MSR PocketRocket 2 is a great choice for backpacking or when you need to pack light. Weighing in at just 2.6 ounces, this compact single-burner camping stove measures 2 by 2 by 3 inches at minimum, 4.8 by 8 by 3.6 inches when in use, and can attach to any propane bottle tank. The little camping stove even comes with a protective case, so you won't have to worry about it getting damaged in your bag. Reviewers mention that the PocketRocket is easy to set up and operate, with no priming, preheating, or pressurizing necessary. It's got good wind protection, and cold temperatures shouldn't affect efficiency, but you'll want to have a lighter or some matches on hand since it isn't self-igniting. We'd suggest this stove for campers in need of a lightweight, dependable option. At number 2, we have the Jetboil Zip Camping Stove Cooking System. The Jetboil Zip's no-frills, easy-to-use cooking system boils water in just over 2 minutes, with half the fuel consumption of traditional systems. Weighing a total of 12 ounces, the bottom cover of this unit doubles as a measuring cup as well as a bowl, saving tons of space in your pack. Additional accessories are available for this stove, but you'll probably want to spend your money on a couple of fuel canisters. They're really small, and you might go through one pretty quickly. For such a small unit, this camping stove is on the expensive side, and while it doesn't come with a fuel canister, your purchase does include a 1-year limited warranty. It's also worth mentioning that this stove isn't self-igniting, so you'll need to bring a lighter or matches to light it. And finally, at number 1, we have the One GS-3400P Stove. Dual fuel compatibility makes the One stove a great option for just about anyone. Operating as either a single-burner propane camp stove or on a butane cartridge, this budget-friendly camping stove has a propane converter regulator that doesn't include any fuel. It also has a piezo electric auto ignition, as well as a built-in pressure sensor cartridge ejection system and gas flow cutoff, so it'll eject the cartridge once low pressure is detected, which is pretty cool. This hybrid butane and propane stove has just a single burner, so you won't be making meals for an army. But reviewers really like this product for its versatile dual fuel system and durability. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.